Dillon Precision Super 1050. How this works out is you put your casings in here. Casings comes down onto the tool, comes out and gets reformed to symmetry in both of these stages here. Reprimered here, and then you have powder in this position. Comes to this position, which is open. You can put a Mr. Bullet there, so it'll put a projectile on there for you. But I like to put it down because I want to look down into the case first. Put it down, and then it seats it, and then it crimps it. And then that's your product. Every once in a while you want to grab a case with powder and then periodical checks just for quality control. 4.7, 4.8, perfect.